Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Small bathrooms can be frustrating. Limited space, uncomfortable seating, bad odor control, and outdated designs make daily life harder than it should be. But what if one single upgrade could solve all of that? In this video, I'll show you a Bazyths Smart Compact Toilet that brings comfort, cleanliness, and modern technology into even the smallest space. Let's start with the size, because that's where this story begins. Most traditional toilets are simply too deep for small bathrooms. They take up unnecessary space and make the room feel crowded. This model is designed with a shallow depth of just under 23 inches, making it ideal for powder rooms, guest bathrooms, and compact spaces. Once it's installed, you immediately notice how much room you've gained. Suddenly, moving around feels easier. The bathroom looks cleaner, more organized, and more modern. But compact doesn't mean uncomfortable. In fact, one of the most surprising things about this toilet is how comfortable it feels. The seat is wider than standard models, offering better support and stability. This makes a big difference for seniors, pregnant women, and anyone who values comfort and security. You don't feel like you're balancing on a narrow surface. Instead, you feel supported and relaxed, which turns a simple daily routine into something far more pleasant. Now let's talk about cleanliness, because this is where the experience truly changes. One of the standout features is the high-density foam shield system. With every use, it creates a protective barrier that helps control splashes and block odors. That means no more unpleasant smells lingering in the bathroom and no messy cleanup. The room stays fresh, even in busy households. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in daily life. As you approach the toilet, something interesting happens. The lid opens automatically. You don't have to touch anything. No buttons, no handles, no germs. It simply senses you and welcomes you in. When you're done and walk away, the lid and seat close gently after a short time. This hands-free experience adds a sense of luxury while also improving hygiene. For families, guests, and shared bathrooms, this feature alone can be a game changer. And if you prefer even more control, there's also a foot sensor. With a simple movement of your foot, you can open the lid or flush. It's incredibly useful when your hands are full or when you want to avoid contact completely. Everything feels smooth, natural, and effortless. Once seated, you begin to notice how thoughtfully this toilet is designed. The heated seat keeps you comfortable, especially during cold mornings and winter nights. No more shocking cold surfaces. Instead, it feels warm and inviting every time you sit down. The built-in cleaning system takes things even further. You can choose between rear wash, feminine wash, oscillating wash, and warm or cool water modes. The spray position, temperature, and pressure can all be adjusted to match your personal preference. Whether you want a gentle rinse or a more powerful clean, it adapts to you. This creates a level of freshness that traditional toilets simply cannot offer. After cleaning, the warm air dryer takes over. In just a few minutes, it dries efficiently, reducing the need for toilet paper. With multiple temperature settings, you can choose what feels best for you. During colder seasons, this feature becomes especially comforting, adding another layer of convenience to your routine. Hygiene is taken seriously here. The nozzle cleans itself before and after every use, ensuring that it remains sanitary. It's also detachable, making maintenance simple and stress-free. You don't need special tools or complicated procedures. Everything is designed to be user-friendly and reliable. One of the biggest concerns people have with smart toilets is water pressure. In many homes, especially older buildings or upper floors, water pressure can be unstable. This model solves that problem with a built-in tank. Even in low-pressure situations, it delivers consistent and powerful flushing. It also operates quietly, so you don't have to worry about loud noises disturbing others, especially at night. Speaking of night use, the soft night light is another thoughtful touch. When you enter the bathroom in the dark, you don't have to turn on bright lights. The gentle glow guides you safely and comfortably, protecting your eyes and keeping the atmosphere calm. Everything can be controlled easily with the included remote. From water temperature to drying settings to seat heating, you can customize the entire experience with just a few clicks. It's simple, intuitive, and designed for people of all ages. Another impressive feature is the power-off flushing system. Even during power outages, this toilet can still flush thanks to its built-in battery support. This makes it reliable in emergencies and suitable for areas with unstable electricity. You never have to worry about being stuck without basic functionality. That's it for today's review. I hope this video helped you understand whether this smart compact toilet is a good fit for your bathroom. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's planning a bathroom upgrade. Thanks for watching.